Now today we're going to change the correction tape on this brother GX6750 electronic typewriter. So all you have to do is open it up, move the carrier here, the center, and if necessary just remove the ribbon. This one. Set it aside. Now that one. This one is the correction tape. Here is also the one where your stop part is going. All you need to do is to pull it out. I'm gonna use a stick here because it's hard to pull it out. And just stick it there and then there, it's out. That's the hardest thing that you can do. Now pull it the other one. Just pull it out. It comes out. Now take it out. Straight, huh? Just take the tape out. Oh, it's stuck in there. Take the tape out. Experiencing difficulties around here. Wait. Just hold it. Hold it. This isn't going to go well. Okay, now we're out. See? That's it. Now to reattach this, just wait. The new one would come out like this. So what to do is this one should go on the left side of the carrier, and the other one here, this one, should go here. That one. That. So put it here. Push it there, and now there's something over here that should put, which is to do that. There. Now roll it. Another one here. So put it there and put it like that. There. Now it's in. Now you should just have to turn it counterclockwise. Oh, hang on, something there. Turn it counterclockwise. Until there's something here. There, we're almost there. Should have like that. Since it is the same ribbon, I took it out. Just have to move some of it out here and then put it in and put it there. Yeah, no. Okay. That's it. I'll put everything I had to took out back. And the ribbon back there. Then when you took it out, then you should the lacy wheel. You should reset it by turning it on, or press the code and reset button. This says you just have to turn it on. Turn it on. Now we just have to check it whether it's good. I'm gonna need to find the paper around here. Oh, where is it? Oh, yes. There. Put it. And let's see if it works. I found a space here. So let's see. Just make a type an error. I made an error. Fuzz. That should be fucked. So correct it, and then it works. And then let's see it. There. That should do it. Since this is a cover-up correction tape, the inside of your typewriter should be very dirty, filled with white stuff. See? So clean it often. Same thing goes as with the lift off. Oh, that's it.